The Firearm Licensing Authority, FLA, has seized the gun used in an incident at Halfway Tree branch of National Commercial Bank, NCB, on Thursday.
A licensed firearm holder pulled his gun on the banking hall, sending scores of customers scampering for cover.
The FLA is also conducting an investigation into the matter, but what led to the incident and why no charges?
TVJ's Herman Green has been following that story.
The video started circulating on social media mere minutes after the incident happened. Persons in the NCB Halfway Tree branch in St. Andrew are seen almost stumbling over each other, trying to get away from a customer, allegedly brandishing a gun at bank employees following a disagreement. After a verbal confrontation with the bank security personnel, the firearm holder, still holding his gun, is escorted out of the banking hall. In a statement Thursday, NCB said no one was harmed and that the matter was referred to the authorities for investigation. The video quickly caught the attention of the Firearm Licensing Authority, FLA, who say they were on the scene within minutes. Director of Audit and Complaints with the FLA, Cleveland Crook, says an investigation was launched immediately, confirming that the man was a licensed firearm holder.
We have gone ahead to make contact with the bank, right? We have interviewed security guards the company contracted to the bank and putting together all the necessaries. The person in question was called in, the firearm was seized, pending investigation.
Our news center was informed that in his defense, the man argued that he was upset with the banking procedures that rigorously questioned him about withdrawing his own money. There is a debate as to whether he pulled his firearm first or if the security guards, seeing that he was armed, were the first to draw theirs. Mr. Cook says the investigation is still in its early stages, and so he cannot confirm either side of the argument. He says the police are investigating, but no charges have been brought against him as yet.
We, the authority, again, we have our responsibility to look at cases as they occur. We're talking about fit and proper. That might be a situation that we need to look at. Is the person fit and proper to carry a firearm? What sort of temperament and so on? So notwithstanding the investigation from the police, the authority, they have a responsibility to look at cases.
Herman Green, TVJ News.